What's up, you guys? Your boy MakeFX. I'm super excited to bring you this brand new video today. So, in this video, I'll be showing you the best strategy that will make you crazy amount of money, including me in 2024. So, I'm going to be sharing my screen. Maybe I'll use my phone to show you everything how it goes. Let's see you in the video. Peace out. So, what's up, you guys? It's your boy MakeFX, and I'm back again with this video. So, I'm sorry, guys, I won't be showing my face while teaching you guys this video, so you have to bear with me on this video. So let's get started. So basically, I'm on my phone editing this video. So I'll be teaching you guys the strategy that will make you money in the year 2024. If you follow the rules, you're going to make crazy amount of money with it. Me and you just know that in your mind. So the first one is, do not trade on Mondays. Do not trade on Mondays. I have a reason for saying that, because I've learned a lot of lessons trading on Mondays. Like, actually, some traders do trade on Mondays due to, based on their personality. But mine, I don't think I can be trading on Mondays, because number one is, Mondays, like, the market just open. And it's still not that volatile, it's still sluggish. So why would I be like, I don't need to be rushing the market, because I still have Tuesday to Friday to have my trade set up. So that's the strategy for me. And it's also a discipline. Like, I should do not trade on Mondays. And most of the times, whenever due to that mindset of do not trade on Mondays, I usually, whenever I trade on Mondays, let's say I usually have lose the trade. I don't know why. Why that happened, but that's it. The second one is psychological levels. Please don't mind the notification. Why the notification is happening is because I'm on trading view, and if my mobile connection is not on, it won't be showing. So that's it. I want to be doing it practical, so you'll be seeing it. So that's it. The second one is psychological levels. What are psychological levels? Psychological levels are price which the market respects. Do you understand? Which the market respect. Like, when you go to a car dealership now, a car dealer, if you want to buy a 10 million naira car and you want to negotiate, you will be like, can I buy this car for 9.5 million naira? You can't just come and say, can I buy this car for 9,989 naira? It doesn't make sense. So look at what I'm trying to say. Like, it is a respected zone. Let's see. Look at it. You go there and get your horizontal line. Like, the current price now is 1.25493. 1.25494. So what you are going to do to set it on to set our psychological level, we have to, like, do, let's say, 50 pips ish. The psychological level will be 50 pip ish away from each other. Let's see. Let's just see. You guys should pardon me, because maybe I'll make a lot of mistake on this. All right. Uh, it's 2.5494. We have to do it to a random number like 2.5000. Okay, look at it. You see, it is a respected zone. Let's see again. Let's do another one. How to set the psychological level now? It must be 50 pips apart from each other. See, let's do this. Look at it. It's now like this. You do like it's now 25,532. You then do approximate it like to a reasonable amount, 25,500. You see, if you have to calculate it now, this is your measure rule. From here, let's calculate it well. Sorry guys. Bye bye. Can you see? It's 50 pips. So to get your psychological level, you have to be adding 50 pips each, 50 pips each, like to a round-up number, 1.2500, 1.2500, 1.25. Let's do another one so you can be understanding what I'm saying. Like this now. Excuse. Look at horizontal line is 1.2. This psychological level is 1.25500. We are going to be looking at 1.2600. Let's check it out. 1.2600. Am I correct? Okay. If you calculate it from here to here, it's 1.2600. And for you to understand what I'm trying to tell you, sorry. For you to understand what I'm trying to tell you, it always respect this psychological level. Do you guys understand me? It always respect it, because look at, you see, it always respect it. It respect it. Also here, it respected it. Also here, it respected it. Psychological level is also known as supply and demand zone, resistance and support. All these things. This is all of them are the same thing. All of them are the same thing. So this is it on psychological level. Let's just draw another two more or one more so you can understand what I'm trying to say. We are going to get approximately to 26500, and let's go again. 26700. 26700. Okay, is always respecting it. Is always respecting it. If you can look at the chart well, is always respecting all this zone. Please, you guys should try to understand this. The second one is trend line. Trend what? Trend line. Trend line. Let's look at it. I know you guys must have understood how psychological level works. So the next one now is trend line. Let's say if you look at the chart now, this is a 15 minutes time frame. Is a what? Is a down movement. Is a down movement. Is a bearish movement. So assuming, like, I've not paid for the trading view backtesting, but when I trade, I'll also drop a video on how to backtest. Look at this trend line for you. From here, a trend line must have at least two touches. two touches before it become a valid trend line. It must at least have two touches. Assuming assuming like now we don't have anything here. Let's say that this trend line is like this from here to, let's say, to this point. From here to this point. I'm just giving you an example of what happened. This, assuming last week now, this is what happened. Assuming I recorded it. Wait, let me show you guys something. This is the first touch. This is the second touch. And excuse, pardon me. This is the first touch. This is the second touch. On the third touch of it, on this third touch, you have to like wait for an entry on this third touch. Mind you, a trend line must at least have two touches before it become a valid trend line. It must at least have two touches, first touch, second touch, and third. Yes, two touches. The third one, it must respect the third one. And a strong trend line have like at least, let's say, 4 to 5 touches before it break. But on a normal note, trend line break on the fourth touch. On a fourth touch, like let's see now. Assuming now I'm to trade. We have already seen the first touch, second touch, and this is the third touch. Do you guys understand me? This is the third touch. This is where now what do we have in this our trade, in this thing now. This is where chart pattern come in. Chart pattern. You guys, I hope you guys are following. This is where chart pattern come in. You have seen the first touch, the second touch, the third touch is about to happen. Just assume in your head the third touch is about to happen. I want to make this class a quick one. Assuming the third touch is about to happen, then you then wait for your chart pattern in GBP USD, because I only trade GBP USD. What the pattern that always print in GBP USD daily is double top and double bottom. Like double top is MO, let's say MO, and double bottom W. Most at times we might see head and shoulder, but the one that I'm always like, that is always common in British pounds, US dollar, is double top and double bottom. So if you are about to trade now, at least you must see like these three things. You must see like these three things before you shoot. You must see it. Like number one is the psychological level. Whenever price came to this psychological level and your trend line is there, just wait for chart pattern, MO, double top. As newbies now, as newbie, you might be finding it difficult to spot the double top and double bottom. Like we are just using this one as an example. You just go to this chart, this candlestick, and I put it in line. If you look closely, you see that it formed a M before it start dropping. Do you guys get? It formed a perfect M before it start dropping. That's it. Assuming you are to trade now, then you then look at this here. You'll be targeting like 1:2 and risking like 20 pips. This is a good setup. Like you guys will understand this in more of backtesting when we do backtesting in our next video. So this is first touch, second touch, third touch. As I was saying, the fourth touch broke it. It broke it. So As the fourth touch broke it, the trend line is now like is no longer relevant to the current chart. You have to like delete it. You have to delete it. So the third thing is okay, it's already good, but this is what I have to tell you guys. This is just like briefing because most of you might not understand it, because in this our strategy is so simple. It's very simple. I'll tell you guys. This my strategy is very simple. Number one, don't trade on Mondays. Number two, psychological level, which I've plotted it for you guys. 50 pip apart from each other. The third one is trend line. Trend line must have at least 2 touches before it become a valid trend line. And the fourth touch of a trend line is likely to break it. So the fourth one is chart pattern. Before you trade, assuming you use this simple trade strategy, you make crazy amount of money. Just wait for the psychological level where the huge boys, the big boys, keep their take profit and stop loss. There must be a reaction at that psychological level. That's what I'm trying to say. So that's it for today. In our next video, we will try to backtest so you guys understand it very well. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash the button for your boy and hit the notification button. Try to share this video for more educational content. Peace out.